It is time now for Ask the Expert. And now that most of us are finished doing our taxes, you probably have a lot of financial paperwork just laying around.
Our certified financial planner, Tony Drake, joining us live this afternoon. He's from wealthwisconsin.com. Let's talk about what documents we should be shredding and what we need to hold on to.
Really important to make sure you're shredding the right documents. About 4,000 Wisconsinites report that they've been victims of identity theft. About half of those were because of a document that they lost or didn't take care of. I've had a debit card taken twice, stolen, and it wipes out your account, so it's really important to know what to shred. Certainly want to get rid of anything that has account numbers, social security numbers. You know, after you've had your pay stubs for a year, you can get rid of those. Tax documents you want to hold on to for about 7 years, though.
Which tax stuff do you need to keep?
When it comes to tax documents for the coming year, you want to hold on to any financial documents, investments. Again, the pay stubs, W-2s, you want to hold on to for at least a year. Any charitable contributions you certainly want to keep with that current tax year information.
You talked about identity theft, the growing number of that. What makes it so easy for these thieves?
It's amazing nowadays. These folks are getting more and more talented at getting your information and getting information with very little pieces of data, you know, that you leave. But most of it has to do with stuff they're going through your garbage, your personal documents. So if you get rid of those with a shredder, an appropriate shredder can really help.
What is an appropriate shredder?
You know, the old days we had what's called strip shredders that shredded it one way. Nowadays we need the cross shredder. There's actually software out there that can take those strips, scan them in, and the software will figure out what pieces go with what, and it'll stitch it back together.
So you got to make it confetti for it to be safe.
That's right. That's right.
So we're getting rid of all the documents. What do you need to be saving to make it easier for next year? You know, it's helpful to look at what you did the year prior.
That's right.
And what you need and don't need.
A lot of things we can regenerate online. A lot of our accounts are online nowadays, but the CPAs that I work with are recommending that we hold on to those pay stubs for a year, match them up with the W-2s. If everything matches, you can get rid of the pay stubs. You want to hold on to any of your charitable contributions regardless of the size. You want to hold on to any of your financial documents, whether it's a retirement account or any other investments that you have. That's really helpful. And
I have to think the simplest thing to do, the safest thing to do, is if you have an option to get a document electronically, take it that way.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Tony Drake, our certified financial planner, thanks.
What's next? Oh, the BBB will hold a Shred Fest. This is good to know, on Saturday at Layton State Bank in Milwaukee. We have all the details at TMJ4.com.
Sounds like a party. Have a question for the experts? Email asktheexpert@TMJ4.com. You may also leave a voicemail if you choose at the number on your screen.